this will be the elevator here at the Best Western here in Kodak, Tennessee.
Pardon us.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Sure. Impulse. This is an interesting panel. Here we go, murder. Odor impulse. There's a phone. It's one of these swing panel designs. It's actually pretty nice. Not too shabby.
Thanks, sir. All right.
This thing could easily make glass, but decided not to. See? This thing could easily make glass,
Yeah,
but decided not to.
Look at the elevator room on the outside.
Yeah. Anyway. There's the big beaver over there. Someone got pulled over there. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.